हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम जीत्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महिम तस्मादुत्थिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चय. Hello friends, this is the 37th shlok of the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and in today's video we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Hato va prapsyasi swargam, which means either after your loss you will attain heaven, jitva va bhokshyase mahim, which means or having won you will conquer the world. Tasmad uttishta kaunteya, which means so rise, O Kaunteya, Yuddhaya Krita Nishchaya, which means resolve to fight the war. So Shri Krishna is telling Arjuna over here that if you fight this war, then that will be a win-win situation for you. If you lose the war, then you will attain heaven. But if you win the war, then you will attain the whole world. Therefore, rise and fight. Now, over here, the message that you get in terms of winning the war and then getting the whole world is pretty obvious that if the Pandavas they win this war, then of course they will win the kingship of the Kuru kingdom, and therefore they will attain the world. But the subtle thing that you have to understand over here is with respect to attaining heaven. So Shri Krishna is telling that if you lose, then you will attain heaven. Now, in general, the idea that has been presented over here is that it's basically just like the jihad idea that if you fight for jihad, then you will attain heaven, and if you win the war, then of course you will get the male ganimat is what they call it. So basically over there the idea is that if you die then you will go to heaven, but if you survive and you win, then you will gain great things. So that's the idea that often gets portrayed over here also, but you have to understand that this is not the way it is. As I've explained in the previous few shloks, that Swarg in itself is not really the place where there are flowing rivers or there are a lot of gardens over there. It's not like that. If you look at the word Swarg, then it means going to a place of light, and in other words, going to a place of knowledge. So understanding it that way, Swarg basically means attaining higher level of existence. So a wise person in that sense is living in heaven, while a foolish person is not really living in heaven. So you have to understand it that way, so that attaining Swarg means you will attain higher level of existence. So the fact is that when you are fighting for the dharma, in that situation you get some amount of satisfaction that you stood up to the evil and you did not give in to it. When you do that, then that basically increases your self confidence, and this self confidence that it increases is the thing that elevates you to a higher level. Even if you lose in that war, even then it helps you because it elevates you to a higher level because your self confidence increases. Now, the other thing that you have to keep in mind over here is that, as has been explained in the shloks from 10 to 30, that the body that we have, the body is basically like clothes that we keep changing, and so we should not really be putting in too much importance to this body because this body anyways will be destroyed. But the thing that we have to really put focus on is our sanskars, and when we stand up for what is right and we do not retreat from it in cowardice, then we build the good sanskars of courage, morality, and things like that. If we do not stand up for what is right and give in to the cowardice, then we cultivate bad sanskars such as cowardice and feebleness and also greed and things like that. So, since in this life caring about our physical body is not really important because it is something which is gonna die anyways, and since we ourselves are not the ones who die, we are forever. So it is very important for us to actually cultivate good sanskars. If we cultivate good sanskars inside us, then that will lead to the elevation of our existence. And in that sense, then you have to understand that when we are fighting for the right thing, when we are fighting the dharma yudh, then we are cultivating good sanskars, and that these good sanskars eventually lead us to rise in our existence. So that way also, then we have to understand that even if we fight for the dharma and we lose in it, we will still attain heaven. And so we are in a win-win situation while we fight for the dharma. So that is what has been mentioned over here by Shri Krishna, that if you win, then of course you will be attaining the world. But even if you lose, then also you will be cultivating good sanskars which will elevate you to heaven. So that's why we should always understand that whenever it comes to standing up for the dharma, we have to gather the courage to stand up to it. Then only we can elevate our own situation. Otherwise, it's basically just the life of an animal that we are living. So I hope I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.